Perfect. And this is the way they're gonna look. The wheel lights are installed. Rock lights are installed. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new video, and today's video is going to be about my buddy's Ram dually. It's a 2012 Dodge Ram dually. What I'm going to be doing to it is I'm going to be installing a set of rock lights and wheel lights. It's going to be the same. It's going to be the same kit I used on Big Red, except that he's just gonna go with 20 rock lights. And I have everything here. I have everything laid out on the table here, what I'm gonna use. It's gonna be the same thing as I mentioned, 17-inch wheel lights. And then I have the LED Mercy rock lights. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna solder together all these, the pigtails on this. I'm gonna extend the pigtails on this onto this LEDs right here, and also I'm gonna be wiring together the I have a relay here. I'm gonna add a fuse, so I'm gonna be putting together all this before I start working on the truck. So watch me how I do this. It's gonna be the first time working on a Dodge Ram, especially a dually like this one, and yeah. Let's go. Let's dive into it and let's get started. Next step in the process here is going to be drilling out the holes on the bezel here, on the dashboard bezel, to install the switches. So this is the location where I'm going to put them at. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling. I'm going to use a step bit for this. You want to go little by little. You don't want to make it too big, of course. We're going to do one at a time and test it out. Let's see, maybe a little more, one more. Let's see. Just one bit more. Yep, right there. Let's see. Perfect. And this fits like a glove right there. All right, let's do the next one. Before we do that, I want to make sure that it's going to be level. Yep, it's perfect. So let's go ahead and do the next one here. Perfect. And this is the way they're gonna look. They're gonna be flush with the bezel here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and continue. I'm gonna put this together in the truck, and I'm gonna show you how this is gonna look once installed in the truck. By the way, I already ran my wires through the firewall. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what the bezel looks like inside the truck. And I think that's the hardest part of the process, figuring out how you're gonna get the switches from the inside of the cab all the way to the engine bay. And that's done. Finally, I got it done. It was kind of tight in there, but it's done. Let me show you right now. Look at this thing. I love these buttons here. They are so sleek, and you can barely tell they're there. They're not bulky like this ugly one right here. So this is done. Everything here is buttoned up. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is, before I start wiring all these up right here, this is for the switches. I'm gonna get the truck up in the air. I'm gonna remove all these 6 tires, wheels and tires. I'm gonna put it up in the air, and I'm gonna start with the wheel lights. I think that's gonna be the fastest. Wheel lights first, followed by all the rock lights. So watch me how I do this. See you in a bit. All right, here's a quick update. The wheel lights are installed. Rock lights are installed. Everything is done. All I gotta do now is I gotta start wiring them up. Okay, so this is just a quick update. I'm gonna keep moving on. I think I don't wanna say that the hardest is done, because wiring is a little tricky, but all the install is done. All right, so I will keep you guys posted. The next video is gonna be when I have everything connected and working, so stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. It's complete. It's up and running. Everything's working. It's bright. It's got 20 rock lights and the wheel lights also. Unfortunately, you can't see the wheel lights on the rear wheels, because this is a dually, and the inner wheel is like a center line. It's like completely sealed, unfortunately. But from the bottom, you're able to see it. And it's looking pretty good. I like it. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys need any help installing these lights on your dually, let me know. It was a pain in the butt. It was too much work. When I did my 40 rock lights and my wheel lights on my F-150, it was I did the rock lights in one weekend, and I did the wheel lights on another weekend. Here on this one, my buddy said, my buddy asked me if I could do both of them in one day. It was a little too much, but I'm glad it's done. All right, guys. I'm gonna put a link to the lights, to the rock lights and wheel lights we've used on this video. I'm gonna put a link on the description below, down below. If you guys want to get a set of lights, just click the link and it'll take you there. All this came straight from Amazon, and it was simple, not too hard. Yeah, so there you go. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.